In this video, I'm going to show you how I get 200 grams of protein per day on a daily average. So for my pre-workout, I mix 2 scoops of whey protein from GNC. So it is 20 grams of protein per scoop, so that's 40 grams per total. Then I mix 1 serving of L-glutamine, then 1 serving of L-citrulline, and then I also put in some BCAAs. I also put in 1 serving of beta-alanine. And of course, I drink it and I head to the gym. So my post-workout is, once again, 2 scoops of whey protein from GNC. So that's 40 grams of protein after my workout, and then I mix some creatine in with it. And to answer your question, yes, I do put my creatine in a pickle jar container. Why? Because I'm cheap like that. Last supplement is beetroot pills. And first, I drink it all, and then I eat breakfast. Or in this case, I eat brunch. Now my first meal of the day consists of 8 eggs. That is 2 whole eggs followed by 5 egg whites. And then I use 2 scoops of cherry berry blend. This is my favorite because it has the cherries in it. So after I put this in a bowl, I put it in the microwave to heat it up because it's frozen. When it comes out the microwave, I like to put a banana in it. And then once the eggs is done, I mix it all together.
Wow.
Hey, don't knock it until you try it. Yes, it tastes good together, but this is my brunch. And then after that, I eat dinner. Dinner consists of homemade chicken and vegetable soup, which is about another 50 to 60 grams of protein because I add chicken thighs in it. And then lastly, before I go to bed, I take 1 scoop of protein, which is 20 grams of protein, for a total of 200 grams of protein.